Hi, my name is Mary Gill Thomas, and I will be singing On My Own from Les Mis. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till the morning. Without him, I feel his arms around me, and when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and he has found me. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that he is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love him, but when the night is over, he is gone. The river's just a river. Without him, the world around me changes. The trees are barren everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. I love him, but every day I'm learning. All my life, I've only been pretending. Without me, his world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have ever known. I love him. I love him. I love him, but only on my own. Thank you.